VEERA BioPower proudly introduce an advanced distillation technology of touchscreen monitor and operating diesel machine. It's a pyrolysis distillation method. 200 liters capacity per day and fully continuous operation. Heating process is done by electric heater. We adopted water circulation type to cool and secure the whole system. Diesel recovery rate more than 85% from waste engine oil. Machine is designed compact and safety. No bad smell while production and eco-friendly. Remote monitoring and controlling can be done of our clients by using their cell phone.